The record of Michael Phelps could blow away. Hello YouTubers, Michael Phelps could lose his crown as the athlete with most medals on the Olympic Games. Why is this? This is because of a stupid rule that the International Olympic Committee has, the rule number 40, that says that any athletes can make promotions of brands that are not official sponsors of the Olympic Games, and it has some period of time. For these Olympic Games was during July 18 to August 15. And if you remember, on August 13 there was a leaked picture of Michael Phelps for a campaign for Louis Vuitton where he was in a bathtub, very sexy photo. Well, the thing is that if this photo was an official release, he could lose his medals during the Olympic Games, but it's pretty sure that Michael Phelps won't lose his record. Why? Because as I already said, this picture was a leak, and Louis Vuitton already make an official announce that they do not have anything to do with this leak picture that you can see in Twitter, and I will put here or here, I don't know. So it's pretty sure that Michael Phelps won't lose his medal and his record. But this rule number 40 has been pretty controversial during these Olympic Games because Michael Phelps is not the first guy who almost lost his medals because of this rule. The other guy was the Beast, the runner of Jamaica, who almost lost his medal, his silver medal, because he was wearing a watch on his arm. So what do you think about this rule? I think it's pretty stupid. I think it's not fair, but leave me your comment below. And thanks for watching. See you soon, and remember that I'm on Facebook and Twitter. See you and bye.